Yeah. Hey, what is up guys? In today's video we have something a little bit different than usual. This is called the Mirarobot. It's a hover bot basically, and this thing is meant to hover, and it comes ready-made right out of the box, which is really nice because I have purchased 2 kits before that I could not get to work whatsoever. So let's get started. Now, first of all, what you do get is you get the full hover bot thingy here, and if we take a look inside, we have 8.5mm motor, so it is bigger than the normal tiny whoop sized motors. And we also get a FPV camera, which is a 600 TVL line, and a 48 channel 25mW VTX, which is really nice to see here. So they also do provide you with one battery, which is a 1S 500mAh HV battery, which is really nice. And they also do provide you with a USB charger, so that's really nice in that perspective. However, I do wish they provided with a little bit more batteries, maybe at least 3 batteries, just because of the specific size. Not many tiny whoops do come with 500mAh batteries, and it's a pretty big battery here. And they also do have the flight controller into place here with a big LED to tell you what mode you're on. Now this thing does have reverse. Reverse isn't as great as I'd like it to be, but it still works if you're stuck somewhere. And it has 2 modes. It has beginner mode, which goes really slow, and it has advanced mode, which goes really fast. Now, they're stating this goes on water, but it also drives really awesome on the ground as well, which we're going to see right now here in the shop. Let's take a look at the controller here. So the controller here is kind of like the DJI kind of thing going on for it, and it is a mode 2. So this is the throttle, and this is how you turn right and left. So it's really basic. This right here would be for changing the modes, and this one would be going into reverse, and we have F4 for calibration and some other trim buttons as well. So enough talking, let's put this on the ground and let's start playing with it. So this is actually pretty damn fun right now. It handles really well. Really nice, especially for such a tight space here. Handling is very nice. So let's go ahead and try beginner mode here, which I think this is it. So this is the beginner mode right now, and if we flick the switch, then we can go a lot faster. There we go. That's not. So if you wanted to see reverse mode, it's pretty pathetic, but it works just fine. That's full throttle. It'll get you out of the place you're stuck basically. Try to drift. Yeah. So you can't have a lot of fun with this. I do play with it every once in a while, and I don't know how it will be on the water, but it's just hella fun right now. Yeah. All right. Battery lasts quite a while actually. And you rarely ever need to go in reverse mode, which is really nice also. The controller is actually doing really good. It's a really nice controller. Feels really good in the hand. Pretty fast actually. It's really fast. Or it just seems that way, I don't know. The control is really good. It is pretty predictable. It's actually a little bit, it's really nice. The control is actually really good. So, it's not like unpredictable. It is actually very predictable. You just need some time to get used to. Yeah, it's really nicely controllable. So it's oh my god, I'm having so much fun. Yeah. That was a little bit too much there. So it turns really, really good actually. Really, really good. Too good. That's why I keep crashing. Yep. The camera on board is really nice. Really, really nice. Hello. So the overall build quality and the way this thing is driving is actually really enjoyable. It's not that it's unpredictable. It's flying really good, and expect to see brushless versions of this soon, probably like a 2S version. And the battery's dead. So that's nice. It has the battery cutoffs because the battery just died right now. So that's really nice in that perspective. So yeah, that's really good that it cuts off the battery so you don't risk ruining it or possibly, you know, over discharging it. So we'll take a look at it right now. Let's go ahead and take a closer look again, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so that wasn't even a full charge because I was using it yesterday. I was having fun with it a little bit, and I just decided to plug it in right now. So it does give you a pretty good amount of time of driving, probably anywhere between 10 to 15, even possibly 20 minutes depending on how you're using it. Now overall it's really fun. It's like basically like a little tiny drift car that I don't have to worry about braking or it breaking anything, and it is made out of foam here. The battery cutoff is really nice because the battery is even just warm. It's not even hot or anything. It's not puffed, so that's really nice. So we're going to see long battery life on this, especially whatever battery you're going to be using. It's not using that much power, which is really nice. And it's actually really surprising since it's using 8.5mm motors. It's not using the little baby motors here. And they are brushed motors, so take that into consideration also. They don't provide you with any extra propellers. I highly doubt you'll be breaking propellers anytime soon. If you do, I don't know how the hell you're going to break a propeller here, because everything is really nicely covered. As you can tell, these propellers don't have anything coming next to them. They're very well protected here. Overall, the camera is good. The VTX is somewhat decent. I can't really answer about the VTX, but it's working just fine in here. So overall, it's a really nice piece of hoverbot thingy that I am really actually enjoying using. However, I would find myself possibly using it a little bit more with some kind of a multi-charger that comes with those little micros, and also maybe at least 3 batteries. But other than that, it seems good. I don't know if it's waterproof to actually ride this thing on water, but I guess it's meant for water. But as you can tell here, I was just having a blast with it. The controls are very responsive and it is very predictable. And well, that's all I gotta say, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a really nice one. I really did enjoy it, and it's a proper hoverbot basically. I wish it had a little bit more power, but you know, I can't complain too much. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.